Alright guys, so till now we have learned what is on-page SEO, how to do a keyword research and how to implement those keywords whichever we have done a research at the back end of our page or post, right? So, and till now you have even made your website as SEO friendly by implementing those keywords at the back end with the help of Yoast plugin. Now the second thing that you need to do after doing the keyword implementation is you need to make internal links. It is always said the higher number of internal links which are present on your pages, the engagement or the duration that a user stays on your page increases. As a result, if the user is staying on a page for a longer duration, the rank of your page automatically increases. So in order to make an internal link, it's very simple. You just need to go to the page or post from where you want to make an internal link. Select the word. Internal link is also known as a hyperlink. Generally, in common words, we call it a hyperlink. In digital world, we call hyperlink as an internal link because on clicking on all those links, you are moving internally within the website only. So that's why it is called as an internal link. Now, once I have reached down, suppose this is the same page where I want to create the internal link. So I need to select this page or this word. Once I have selected this word, right on the top, I can see there are a few icons. So out here, we need to select on this insert and edit link. Once I'm clicking on this insert and edit link, a URL option is appearing out in front of me. Out here is the interface where we can insert the URL where we want the people to get redirected when they're clicking on this word, right? So you need to create large number of internal links. For example, I have created one of the internal link on this word target CPA. And if I'll check, I'll click on this target CPA, you can see there is a URL which is already present out here. On this URL, I have been telling about detailed way what is a target CPA and how it is being implemented and how it's being used while making a Google ad. So when a people is reading the blog of mine or the article of mine and coming across to this word, so by clicking on this word, they get redirected towards my another page and they would be learning more about target CPA. Through this technique, you can increase the engagement. So try to have higher number of internal links. Out on the right hand side, you can see there is an option of category. You need to mention the category very efficiently so that when the crawlers are crawling your pages or posts, they are aware under which category these posts are falling, so that while listing your domain name or while listing your pages and their Google search result that is on their own database, they would be clear that what is the topic or what is the category of the topic, so that it gives us an edge while appearing in SERP. So don't forget to mention the category of your posts. And also the tags. The tags are just like keywords. You need to write simple words or phrase that you want or on which you want your pages or post to rank up, right? Once you have done all these things, next that we need to do is we need to create a sitemap. So in next video, you will learn how to create an XML sitemap of our website.